probably gonna scream like Craner now. Oh, thank you for not screaming. Oh yeah, and the reason I'm like having trouble with this is because the sun's like right over there, and I'm trying not to get my thumb in the camera.
Lucy, I got this. We got this.
All right.
Oh, crap.
I'll just block the sunlight. That's good. Okay, guys. So we need our notifications to see who will be doing the music for Living On.
That's going to be our new company. And we're going to make Five Nights at Freddy's.
That's what it's called, Live On. Anyway, you show your part of the what you think it should be. We're just gonna do like.
We're gonna try our own melody, and then you guys on
yeah, like just tell us in the views. Tell us who should do it, Liam or Lucy. By the way, for those of you who are new, I'm Lucy. That's Liam.
And I'm not
to me for like I'm Liam.
I'm not
Okay, let's just do this, all right?
Oh crap.
And it's Liam's turn to show his.
No. Oh la 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 la. Oh. Bye, guys.